What is going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna have a full tutorial on how do you promote ClickBank products on Bing ads or Microsoft ads. And so this is gonna be a full tutorial with a brand new technique. We're not gonna be building a website. We're gonna be using this very special tool so that you do not need to build a website. So definitely pay close attention to everything, and then later on, if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below the video. And so the first thing that you want to do is you want to go to cbengine.com. This is a lot better site for picking out your offer, because if you go to clickbank.com, it's not as sophisticated. You don't have the same stats, you don't have the same information. So here you are. There's lots of interesting ways to browse different offers. You can start here. You have new products, best gains, stop gravity. You can look in insider reviews, all of these different angles. On the front page, you have products we're highly recommending. Okay, it doesn't mean you have to promote these offers. It just means these are products that are worth looking into, because you won't be able to find these products if you go on ClickBank. It's a little bit complicated. And then last but not least, this is probably my favorite way of looking at different offers, is that you can find products by category. You can find them by subcategory. Once you pick a category, you can sort them by rank, earnings, gravity, a lot of interesting things. The most important things that you actually need to do. And so let's go look at some kind of products to promote. So for instance, you can go into new products here and you can find lots of interesting products to promote. But in my opinion, a good place to start is usually top gravity, and this is going to give you ideas of what's happening, okay? First of all, you have to understand what is being promoted right now, what is making money, okay? You do not want to find a product that you like, maybe you have an interest in, maybe you're familiar with, but that product is just not profitable. You want to go into top gravity, this is a real, or maybe even best gains, and to take a look at products that are actually making money, products that have a relatively high gravity, such as, this custom keto diet, over 400 gravity, or some of these other products with very high gravity, okay? Another place that you can go to in order to get ideas of what kind of niches you can promote is you can go into Google Trends and you can search a term, a topic. You can browse lower. You can look at different stories, insights, different things that are happening, different events, different holidays, TV shows, movies. What are people looking for, right? We have basketball here. There's some really good basketball offers that you can promote. Now, the reason I'm telling you this is because you can use this angle, the current events angle, when you're promoting an offer that you can promote always. So if you have an evergreen niche, such as basketball or another sport, you can tie this together with this current event and you can promote them together. And this is a really good approach. You can look at different things that were happening last year, but I would probably suggest looking at recently trending. This is a really good approach. You have Google Docs, you have these names. Tesla is a big one, right? So Tesla is a really interesting one because it's all about batteries, right? It's not about fuel. It's mostly about electric cars, battery technologies, things like that, as opposed to fossil fuels. This is really good. And so there's a lot of interesting offers that you can promote. So let's take a look at a couple of offers that you want to promote. Now, when you're starting out, I would not recommend promoting like really big niche offers. I would not recommend promoting weight loss or make money online or any of that, because they're very aggressive, and because we're buying traffic on Bing ads, they're not the best way to promoting right now. I would recommend doing some kind of niche offers, staying below the radars, right? So-called boring offers. In my opinion, it's a lot better to promote those. And so you can go into green products. For instance, let's go into green products, and we are going to rank them by gravity in descending order. Okay, we're going to hit search. And now we have products. We have these green products, which is a niche. It's alternative energy. It's a very cool niche. And as you know, Tesla is hot right now. This is similar to this. And we have new battery reconditioning course. We have hot new offer, backyard revolution, portable solar energy system. And take a look at this one. The gravity of these products, at least the first two products, is relatively high. These gravities, these products of a gravity of 18, 15, 20, it's not super high, but it's also not 0 or 1 or 5. So it's still good, But take a look at these products, 138, 72. So let's say we want to do a new battery reconditioning course. So we're going to open that up and we're going to take a look at what's happening here. So here you have more stats, right? You have a gravity of 138, referred 97% are referred by affiliates. We have a commission structure of 75%, average percent of sales 79%, average dollar value per sale 53. We have really healthy numbers. Commission is 75%. Let's open it up so you can read this too. Hot new niche, popular battery reconditioning course now available on ClickBank. Great VCL, high conversions, huge EPCs, converts. Great for energy solar, prepper survival. And so they're even giving you really interesting niches. This is very, very important. So if you miss this, you might have missed a really important information, okay? Because they give you three different niches, okay? You have energy solar, which is one particular niche. Then you have preparation and survival, the survival niche, which includes things like flashlights, all these kinds of different portable knives, survival gear. It's a big niche. Then you have home garden woodworking list. And then you have home garden woodworking, right? They also say list, media buyer, PPCs, and all that. And so we can visit their website just to get an idea of what it is, okay? And here you see the landing page, bringing that battery back to life is simple. You have a video, you have all of this information. And this is gonna look really good if you combine it with the Tesla angle, because people are seeing that Tesla is doing really well, and they may want to start giving second thoughts to the whole battery technology. So this is a big angle here, right? And you can watch this video, you can click to hear the sound and all of that. You can also visit their affiliate page, because on some affiliate pages, they give you resources for promoting them really well. Join one of the highest EPC affiliate programs on ClickBank. Take a look at this. You can you can enter their email and you can learn more. You can get started. They have this thing here. Once you enter your email, you will have more information. They will give you more affiliate stuff. So they'll give you affiliate resources and training materials. So you can add that and you can learn more about them. Here, they're basically selling you on their program so that you can promote it. This page is designed for affiliates. So it tells you that you can earn up to 148 per sale. Refunds are below 2%, etc., etc. You can learn more about this. And once we saw the landing page, once we know that this is legit, the next step that we want to do is we want to build our own landing page. Okay, it's very, very important. You do not want a direct link, because number one, paid traffic sources do not like when you direct linking. Number two, you lose control over everything. You want to build your own landing page, which is very, very important. So if you go to this place called Google Sites and you can Google for it, you can create a brand new landing page very, very quickly and easily. And so you can hit blank, or you can start with a template if you want. We're just going to hit blank because it's so easy to create. It doesn't take a long time at all. Now, what do I recommend? I recommend that if you've never built a landing page before, I highly recommend that you learn a little bit about how landing pages work. And the best place to do that, especially for this particular product, is by going to their own landing page. And I'm going to tell you exactly what I mean. So here's the landing page. They have the first pitch. They're giving you free presentation. You don't have to worry about it. You don't have to worry about this. They have the name of the product, right? Bringing that battery back to life is simple. That's it. That is the pitch. That is their elevator pitch, even shorter than an elevator pitch, because elevator pitches should be up to 30 seconds. This is like 5-second, 3-second elevator pitch. You can call it. And then you have the kind of the repetition. Again, they're telling you the pitch here. They're giving you a little bit of a description here. Then they say, to date, we have already had over 19,000 people use easy battery reconditioning. And then they have testimonials. Now, granted, this is a rather short landing page. You can Google for more. You can Google for more ideas. But typically, a landing page is going to have a lot of different pieces of information, okay? And you can Google for it. You're going to see a whole structure. And so here I found an article that gives you a really good structure of a landing page, okay? the anatomy of a landing page. Okay, and so if you scroll down, they basically broken down a landing page. They have a headline, a supporting copy, a hero image, a form header, subheading, supporting copy, more of that. So it's basically you have a headline or a subheadline and some text at the bottom. Then you have reinforcing statement. You have kind of the name. You have some more ideas. These are what I call benefits, okay? And in fact, they even list it as benefits. You have features. I would not really focus on features too much. You want to focus on benefits. So what is the difference between benefits and features? Benefits is what is it for me? What's in it for me? Like, for instance, you're selling a BMW or any car pretty much. What are the benefits of a BMW? Speed, security, performance, some kind of appeal, status. All of these are benefits. They're not features of the car. Features are 18-inch wheels, 4 doors, beautiful black color or beautiful green color. These are very, very specific features. Features is something that's built into the product by the company, by the manufacturer. Benefits is how I see the product as a customer, as a consumer, how I see the product. Those are the benefits. And so you always want to be thinking about benefits and features. Features of this product is what does this product do? How many pages? If it's a book, it has 50, 100 pages. Features is saving the environment, being as cool as Tesla, etc., etc. Having energy, cheap energy. Those are benefits. Okay, those are not features of this specific product. So if you go back, you have a structure of the landing page. You can read more, some more landing pages. But the idea is all you have to do is you need a headline where that sells the product. It gets my attention. A little bit of a body that explains it more. Then you need more supporting copy. You need more benefits. Okay, once you got my attention, testimonials, then even more, maybe a couple of more benefits, more testimonials, a couple of call to action CTA buttons sprinkled throughout the document, and that's all you have of a landing page. That's the beginning of a landing page. So let's go back to Google Sites and try to design a very, very quick landing page just to keep it simple. And so as a main kind of headline here, we're going to call it something like revive your dead batteries. Okay, something like this. I'm just going to capitalize each of the words. The first letter of the word, we can even center it here. So it's all nicely on one line. You can do a lot of things. We can center it. This is Google, so it's really easy to use. Here we can get a more layout, so we can drag and drop, and I can have my sub headline here and a supporting paragraph. Okay, ever wanted to revive old batteries? Now you can. Okay, and then here you would write a little bit more about this product. Here you can have an image. They will probably be able to provide you images if you go to the affiliate resources. Once you submit the email, they will give you images. Next, you want to maybe drag another layout, and then you can put more benefits. You can do that kind of thing. You can also drag a text box. You can click on this, and you have a text box here. Okay, very, very simple. You have a text box. You can write content. Here you have images. You can add. You can upload an image. You can go to a place like unsplash.com or pexels.com. There's a lot of these free sites with royalty-free images. So even if you don't get the images from the vendor themselves, you can get it here, no problem at all. Next, you have your image carousel. You can do that. You can click on it and you can insert images. You have a button here. This could be your call to action button. You have more layouts that you can drag. Very, very simple. You can click on this. Themes. You can click here. You can expand it. You have YouTube. You can even embed Google Sheets, Forms, all kinds of interesting things. You can add more pages. You can do a lot of things, some more themes. You can change themes. You can change how the font, subheading, the size of the font, etc., etc. All of this is very, very easy. Now, when you're starting out, do not make things complicated. You can even mimic their own landing page. Just do not copy and paste from this landing page because it's not a good idea. In fact, this is probably a good landing page just to get started, right? Because when you're starting out, you want to keep things simple. Later on, you can create multiple landing pages, and using a tracker like Bmob, I have a really good tutorial up there. You can learn more about how to actually cycle through various landing pages so that you can track which landing page is good and which isn't so good. But that's a more of an advanced topic I may cover at a later video. So once you're done, you're gonna go, you can also label it something like revive old batteries here. Once I got this, you can then hit publish, and it's gonna be available on the internet, and then you can send traffic to this landing page. So once you got this landing page done, you can add a logo, all of that, very, very easy. The next step is you're gonna go into Microsoft Advertising, okay? And so Microsoft Advertising is what's Bing Ads is called now. It used to be called Bing Ads. Now it's Microsoft Ads because Bing is owned by Microsoft. So once you're here, you're gonna go into campaigns and you're gonna create a brand new campaign. You're gonna click this, and I'm gonna show you step by step exactly what you need to do. You're gonna pick visits to my website. You're gonna do search ads. You're gonna hit next here, and you're gonna fill out this very, very simple wizard. So campaign name, you can call it something like batteries 1 or 01 is the name of the campaign. You have a budget. Let's say we're doing $20 per day just to keep it simple. Now, I like to start my campaigns in the United States. So we're going to type United States here. And we are going to target. We're going to choose target. And we are targeting United States. Next, we want people in your targeted, people searching about. We want to deselect this because we do not care about about. We only want people in my. I don't care if somebody is, something related to the United States. I want people to be in the United States. We have English here. Save and go to the next step. Now on this step here, we're gonna set up our ad group. Okay, and the website, you don't have to do that, right? This is an optional step. It's just gonna help you to get keywords, and then you're gonna create an ad group. And so for the ad group, you can go back to this product here and get their, sometimes they give you an affiliate resources, and that is where they give you various keywords and stuff like that. But for the purpose here is that you're gonna be very, very simple. You can do a couple of things, right? You can simply create a new tab. You can go into Google. I know we're using Bing, but it's very, very simple. And you can type something like battery reconditioning. That is exactly what we're doing, right? Recondition old batteries. This could be an affiliate offer that we are promoting, and you're gonna scroll down and you're gonna see all of these keywords, right? So if you do this, you're gonna see ClickBank, easy battery reconditioning, right? Recondition old batteries. So you can take that, go to our Microsoft Ads ad group, and we're just gonna call it ad group 1, just to keep things simple. And you're gonna have reconditioning old batteries, revive old batteries. Now, when we type that, we have various information here, right? We have these suggestions here. So you can even click on that and look at this. It created another ad group for us. Battery replacement. So this is replacement. We do not want that. We want reconditioning, right? So you may want to remove this and go back to our existing ad group, right? So we're here, and then we can continue working on our ad group. So if we go back to Google and you enter here and you scroll down, you're gonna see reconditioning Black and Decker, reconditioning, revive. And so the other thing that you can do is you can Google for a tool called Keyword Toaster. And this is a really, really important tool because there's a couple of things you have to understand about keyword search is that you have different match types. Okay, so let me explain to you how that works. If you take these keywords here and you paste them, you want to start with this tool. So once we have our keywords, revive, make old batteries work again, fix old batteries. So let's say I have 5 keywords. What I want to do is I want to deselect broad match. Okay, I want to deselect it, and I want to deselect everything. And what I want to do is I want to select broad modified, and I want to select exact match. Okay, that is what I want to do. You can also do phrase match if you want. I do not recommend doing broad match Because what broad match works is that what Bing is going to do, or Google, is the same thing. If you have broad match, meaning something like this, they're going to start substituting words for different words. They're going to be basically showing your ad to traffic that's not very, very relevant. So what I recommend is that you hit broad, modified, and exact match. You see how it's a little bit darker? Because if I deselect it, it's all one color, this light, kind of this light dark yellow, light brown color. You want to select this, and now we have the words. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to go back here, paste them. Obviously, you may have more keywords, you may have more ad groups, but this is a really nice start. Once you have that, you're going to go save and go to the next step. And here's where you're going to be creating the ad themselves. You're going to hit create ad, and you're going to write the ad. You can do a responsive ad. You can do an expensive tax, app install ID. We're just going to do it very, very simple. And here's the final URL. And this is going to be the landing page. Okay, this is going to be the landing page where you're going to be sending it. And so you can put whatever the landing page is here. And now you have the headline. So you can have multiple headlines. And then you're going to have the path. So for instance, let's say we have a headline here. And so let's say the headline could be something like recondition old batteries now. Something like this. You can have another headline. Make old batteries great again. And that fits in perfectly. Okay. There you go. Make your headlines unique. You're going to do that. And you can add another headline as well. Now the path, depending on the website, right? We're not going to have a path because we created a specific landing page just for this product. So whatever that landing page, you're not going to enter here. Here you're going to enter the description. So it could be something like an amazing product to fix old batteries. To revive old batteries to greatness. Something like this. And then you're going to have another text here, 90 characters. This product has been used by over, whatever the claim they're making. I think if you go to their landing page, they're making a claim that it was used, 19,000 people use batteries. So you can use the same claim. They're making the claim. So you're not just making it up, right? So you're going to have, this product has been used by over 19,000 happy customers. Or something like this, over 19,000, or even better. It's always a good idea. Sometimes it's good to start with a number because that's very unique approach. It's very eye-grabbing, eye-catching, okay, attention-grabbing. 19,000 plus trusted, 19 trust us, and you should too. Something like this, right? And you might want to capitalize the words, right? Okay, something like this. Mobile URL, you don't need that. And you can add these tracking options, and that's it. Now we're going to hit save. Okay, so it wants 3 headlines. Okay, let's do another headline here. Make old batteries power anything using old batteries. Okay, power stuff. Something like this, okay? We're going to hit next, save. And you can create multiple ads. Now we have one ad. You can create multiple ads. And what Bing is going to do, it's going to cycle, it's going to send traffic to multiple ads. And you can track, if you're using a tracker, which of the ad is being clicked and which of the ad is responsible for the conversion. You also have things like ad extensions. That is an advanced topic. I don't want to cover it in today's video because it's a little bit complicated. We're going to have that. And that is all you have to do. That is, you're going to save and go to the next step. You're going to create an individual budget, $20 per day here. This is a good idea. You can do manual. You can do enhanced CPC. It's up to you. Manually use the bid I set. Adjust my bid to get more conversions. You can do that. And then here you could set a bid cost per click for the entire ad group. And this is really nice because you can even put $10 if you want. But if the highest bid, remember, it's an auction system. If the highest bid is only 50 cents, you will only pay the amount needed just to beat that highest bid, and you will not pay your entire bid, okay? So let's say I bid $10 USD and somebody is bidding 25 cents. I will bid 26 cents or something like that. And so you can put $1, that's fine. You can put $1.50. Remember, you're not going to pay that whole amount. You have some estimation. Do not worry about the estimations. And then you're going to click on save, and that's going to save your campaign, and your campaign is going to go into review. Okay, and at this point, you're fully done. You will have to wait. Hopefully, it's going to get approved in 12 to 24 hours, maybe 48 hours, maybe it's a weekend, it's going to be a little bit longer. And at that point, you're done. You're going to be getting highly targeted traffic to your ClickBank affiliate marketing campaign. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions or comments below the video. I would love to help you out. Thank you so much for watching. Like the video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't already. This channel is all about affiliate marketing all day, every day. Thank you again so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.